Hi friends, welcome back to the Guitar Spotters. Jarvis welcoming you to this living room. And before I start the guitar review, 82.2% of you people that are watching this video right now, even this Japanese LL36 from Japan, are not my subscribers. So I just want you to just do me a favor. Take one step. First is below here, give me a like. Secondly is to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to churn out more good guitar reviews coming up for you. Okay, so we have this Japanese, this friend of mine who brought, this is the third Japanese guitar he brought in. The last time he brought a LS36. And he didn't dry the guitar well. It doesn't have a dry box. He used all this humidity packs, which honestly doesn't really work. It's a band-aid. Okay, so we decided to set it up nicely with a new saddle, fossilized mammoth ivory, and this one is a LL36. Looks like a dreadnought, but they modified this in terms of they give a lightly better curve like this on this ebony bridge, ebony fretboard. You get the markers, looks like the 40s markers from the Martin, and you got the abalone purfling on the top, maple binding on the body. The top is it's a H Engelmann spruce top that is H air dried properly, and back and sides are good old Indian rosewood, right? And here the width here is the depth is 4 inches and 4.75 inches. Okay, the lower bar is 16.25, so it's relatively, there's a relatively big guitar, and 1/3 nut width, and with the head plate that is Indian rosewood, that is not gloss, with the guitar tuners on this, and you got the 5-piece neck that is very stable. Okay, and Japanese, how does the Japanese Yamaha compare to a China one? Firstly, the necks on the 16s are plastic binding on that, and then even though it's a 5-piece neck, the neck, this one is a handcuff, and it feels more like a C profile. 1/3 nut width, and also it's a beautiful neck, right? And then the finishes on this are, instead of polyurethane PU, this is all nitro finishes. Okay, forward X brace that is non-scallop, but non-scallop is cross-sectionally they remove a lot of wood. Instead of the 16s are cross-sectionally like the square, this is triangulated, so they remove wood, handcuffed it, remove it with the chisel, right? And so the tops are a little bit lighter, you get a little bit more that defined notes. So everything about this guitar is refined, even the underneath is really sand finely and stuff like that. Okay, very clean, no glue stains on this guitar. I don't see any excess glue stains, and that's what Japanese build are. Okay, the other thing about this Japanese build is they are built slightly more robust compared to the Americans. Americans are very short term, not all, but pardon me for saying, they only built for what is today, right? It sounds good, feels good, that's it, right? The Japanese, having worked in a Japanese company for 15.5 years, they take a long view, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years, okay? And I've worked on Yamaha guitars that are 50 years old, and let me tell you, they don't need a neck reset, they just need a new saddle, just fine-tuning it, and something like it is really aged, that you have a tone that is irreplaceable, right? Because the wood has aged. It's something that you can't artificial. You try to, but it may work a little bit, but not fully, right? And that's one thing I like about older guitarists like us fine guys. Okay, just position the mic a little bit. Okay, and this one is strung with 8020 X Deer Eldorado, requested by the owner. I prefer Prosper Bronze, but that's what it is. So the pins, he removed that pins and put the tusk pins on this. has a slightly deeper low end than usual. I mean, woo! I'm enjoying this guitar. It's a big sounding guitar. You can hear it's a big sound. And on the third fret, we couple the guitar. Okay, the owner is going to come in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to try to finish this guitar. Let's do one finger style, and then I'm going to end this guitar, this video. Tell me how you feel about this guitar. I definitely recommend all the Japanese, highly recommend the Japanese made Yamahas. I think they are well made. Even their neck blocks are really robust the way they do it, and finishes, and they got some of the really good woods available in the market also, because they've been buying it for the last 50 years, I guess. So till next review, because I love with passion, play your guitar loud, love, joy, peace, health to be multiplied in your life. This is Jarvis signing off. See you soon. Bye bye.